gonna derive the formula for the area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram has two pairs of opposite sides which are parallel. And as a result, it means they're all the same length. The opposite sides are of the same length. Let us call this height h. And the whole base, or the whole top, we'll call B for base. Same for the bottom, B. But I'm going to break up B into two pieces. I'm going to break B up into X, which is down there, and all of B minus what I just used, namely X, for the rest. And I do the same thing up here. Now, since this is a right angle, and I'm going to draw another right angle, I know exactly how long part of that top is. This part is exactly B minus X units. And of course, the rest is X. That way, it adds up to B. Now, what is the area? I'm going to find the area of this triangle. I'm going to find the area of the rectangle in the middle. And I'm going to find the area of the second rectangle. Actually, let's do it in pieces. The area of figure 1 is 1/2 times the base, x, times the height, which is h. So I just found that area. Area 2 is b minus x times h. It's b minus x times the height. It's just a rectangle. So I found that area. And now I will add on to that area number 3. I will calculate area number 3. It is 1/2 times the base, which is still x, times the height. Well, this height, since it's a rectangle, is the same as this height on the other side. That is, it too is h. So now the area total, well, it's this plus this. Well, if you have a half of one thing and you add another half of that same thing, you get one of those things, namely xh, plus a sub 2, b minus xh. And here's where the magic comes along. You have to add bh, and then you have to take away xh. That cancels, and you just get b times h. Now, let me draw that figure, the initial figure down here. It might be scaled down a bit, but you get the point. I said that the base is b, and that the height is h. You want to put the height here? Fine, it's h. You want to put it here? Fine, it's h. If you want to drop an altitude and have it meet up with the base extended, it's h. The height is h. Okay, it's b times h. It's b times h. Now, just to make a comment, if you filled in this area, that is, if you now look at this area, well, the top is b, and the height is h. It is, we still get bh. That is, this area that we just added in, it's the same as that area. And it actually showed that here. You could have we could have said based on this that we can take this area, go x across, just like that was, and then go up h. Okay, and then there's area number 1. And we now know, we knew from the beginning the height, or the top and the bottom was b, and the height is h. This part right here that I'm erasing was moved to the right part, the right side, namely in here. So however you do it, it's b times h. That completes the proof for deriving the area of a parallelogram.